Hello folks, and welcome once again to Blackjack Motorcars LLC. We're located in Brandon, Florida. We're right near the intersection of Interstate 75 and Florida Highway 60. In fact, there's Interstate 75 right there. So when I mean we're close, folks, we're close. Want to show you a very, very special Jeep. We've just got this in inventory. This is a 2015 Jeep Unlimited Sport Edition. Folks, a couple things about this Jeep. Number one, it's a 2015. It has 16,000 miles on it. This was a doctor's garage furniture, okay? He did about everything you could possibly want to do to a Jeep. Look at the rims and tires. Look at the front bumper. Winch on the front, never been used. Auxiliary lights. Has the Dana 44 rear axle and the Dana 30 front axle. And that's to handle these big old meats of tires and rims on it. Beautiful black. Even the spare tire. You know, most people just throw a spare on there. This spare matches the rest of the truck. Dual exhaust. LED lights. Just a phenomenal. And I'll tell you, you couldn't buy the Jeep and do this to it for what we're selling it for, okay? Let's take a look at this interior. Custom leather interior. Take a look at these seats, folks. Absolutely gorgeous. He's got the auxiliary light switches. Just as clean as can be. Take a look in the back. These are the tube doors that come with the Jeep. In case you want to take these doors off, put these pipe doors on it. But look at the black. It runs absolutely perfect. It looks flawless. We've got this Jeep priced specially. We just lowered it $2,000 to $33,900. That's what it takes to buy it. Again, you could not build this Jeep with those kind of miles for that kind of money. This is a great deal for someone that's looking for a Jeep that's done. So give us a call. Our number is 813-340-0918. We work by appointment. This Jeep stays right here in this warehouse, locked up. Come and see it. We'll make an appointment that's convenient for you to come and see it whenever you'd like. And we appreciate you watching the video. Again, our number is 813-340-0918. And as we say at Blackjack Motorcars, when you come see us, you never go bust. Folks, appreciate you watching. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye-bye.